Arabella, and I'm making a cake this morning. I've already put in the water, the oil, and the eggs. So now I've got to put in the cake mix. If you're wondering what kind of cake I'm making a lemon cake. I think we better use the. Never mind. I think we better use the stirrer. Okay. I'm using a spoon to make sure I mixed in all the cake batter and getting some off on the sides. I'm now going to put the cake batter into the cake pans, and they're shaped like a snowman and Santa. We put them in the oven for 25 minutes. Now my cakes are done. It's time to decorate them. Thank you for watching QO. It's always QO Clock. Bye.